How to connect GoDaddy domain to Blogger. To connect your GoDaddy domain to Blogger, open up your browser first and go to GoDaddy.com. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Then, click on the My Account menu from the top left. Under Quick Links, go to the option called Domain. Once you go to Domain, on the left-hand side, make sure that you're under the Domains tab. Select the domain that you want and click on Manage DNS. Once you click on Manage DNS, there you'll find a DNS server. So once you've made sure to copy the domain name, come to your Blogger backend of the website, which could be blogger.com, and make sure to choose the correct blog where you want to connect. Then on the bottom left, go to Settings. Scroll down until you find the option Custom Domain. Over here, simply paste the domain that you copied from GoDaddy. Click on the Save option. After a certain while, if your DNS servers are correct within your domain of GoDaddy, then the new domain will point out to your new blog on Blogger. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.